Welcome, everybody. This is the weekly agenda for philosophy, week of 11/16. So we're switching things up a little bit since we are going to be connected all week. So on Monday, I'm going to give you time to finish the assigned part of the chapter that you got last week. I said originally that would be due during the block period because we were going to be doing other things in class, but we're going to switch that up, and that's going to be due Tuesday. But I'll give you time in class to finish that. So I assigned this last week. It's your assigned part of the chapter, and to develop 3 to 5 slides. On Tuesday, we will have those presentations. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to have, and I will assign this probably on Monday, but I will have the assessment for Chapter 6. So what you're going to do in that assessment for Chapter 6 is take your Enneagram and the work that you did on that and those questions that you answered on that, and the question from the beginning of chapter, what is your essential self? And I'll ask, is your Enneagram type, do you believe it's your essential self? If not, what is your essential self? And add 2 to 3 things from the chapter that would correspond to your essential self. So that is what you will do on Wednesday and or Thursday, and that will be due Friday. And in class, we will have an activity where I will cut part of your assessment, and I will share it with the rest of the class, particularly around your Enneagram number and what you think your essential self is, and I will just put those on a big document, and we'll all sort of guess who is who. So we'll do that on Friday in class. So I hope you guys are having a good week, and look forward to seeing you on Zoom.